Clearpay gift cards offer an amazing way to make your purchases more manageable by splitting the cost into 4 interest-free installments, making those desired items more accessible and affordable. Here's how to use them, step-by-step. First, ensure you have a Clearpay account set up and linked to your preferred payment method. Next, if your Clearpay gift card is physical, you'll need to activate it online or through the Clearpay app by entering the card number and PIN when prompted. Once activated, your gift card balance will be added to your Clearpay account, ready to be applied to your next purchase. When you're ready to check out at an online store that accepts Clearpay, simply select Clearpay as your payment option. Clearpay will automatically apply your gift card balance to the purchase first, reducing the total amount financed. The remaining balance will then be split into the 4 convenient interest-free installments, just as usual. That's it. Enjoy the flexibility and ease of shopping with Clearpay gift cards. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more shopping tips.